not seeing a cave? I'm not seeing anything new over here. Incredibly. But this might make it better to find iron if I forgo beauty in the name of mining. Actually reset all my YouTube suggestions again. So I'm gonna have to do the long process of... I don't know, I thought I heard someone over there. The long process. What is that? What is that sound I'm hearing? Ah, is this granite? New sounds in this game are creepy. They always had some sounds that were weird, but these ones are worse. Let's pour soda. Diet, of course. I'm not drinking no normal sugar. I felt dehydrated, so I reached for soda instead of reaching for water. This is the future. Let's get lost in these caves. Let's not be able to find our way out. Let's do it. Where is the iron? Coal, that's good too. I'm gonna mine this. Always need coal so that I can see what I'm looking for. I knew she could make me happy. I just need one more iron. Ah, I bet I'm better off walking around on the surface, and then from there finding a cave, heading into the cave, and then mining stuff I find as I walk through the cave. I heard somebody say that strip mining is kind of dead. And by heard, I meant I read it online. They said it makes more sense to go into caves now and just walk around and find stuff than it does to strip mine. Given I'm not really strip mining, I'm just mining. Though I could see that. I found a lot of ore last time I played just by going into caves. Nice, nice caves. Come here. We shall head out. Oops. Head out of this cave. I thought I went way deeper than I actually did. And it's still not even daytime. Started off with it. Huh? Why is rain? Oh. It must be my settings. Is rain considered a particle? Why would it not be raining here, but it's raining here? Okay, so it rains in this biome, but as soon as I walk into this biome, rain doesn't happen anymore. Interesting. It's interesting. I wonder, like, in real life, how far you walk when it's raining, until how far would you have to walk until you reached a point where it wasn't raining anymore because you had traveled far enough. Sorry, it's not very thoughtful thing to think, but I'm gonna save on resources by doing this. Oops. Just make some pillars so I know what the cave is for the future. Think. Let me stretch. Cozy as can be. Cozy as can be. I'm gonna call it there. Yeah.